So, what's up, guys? My name is Arush, and you are watching Cubinity and Beyond. So, guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I have shuffled the cube, so let's get started. So, the first step to solve this cube is white face. Next, we have to look for white on the bottom layer. Then we have to join the color diagonally, and we have to look that we have white on the top. Then we have to use the algorithm shown on the top right face of the screen. So in the second case, we have to do the same, but we have to do the mirror. So in first case, we have white in right side. In second case, we have white in the left side. So we have to do the mirror. The formula is shown on the left side of the screen. In the third case, we will have a white piece on the bottom layer. We have to make sure that we don't have white piece on the top layer of the line of bottom layer. So you have to use the formula given on the screen. After using the formula, you will able to see case 1. So you have to solve like case 1. Make the colors diagonal and use the formula. In case 4, you will have a white piece on top side layer, so you have to use this formula. And now you will be able to see case number 1. You have to match the colors diagonally and solve it like case 1. Now let's begin to the final case of completing the white face. In this case, you will have a white in front but not here. So you have to hold cube like this and you have to use formula given here. After doing that formula, you will able to see case number 2 and solve it like case number 2. After completing white, you have to see that every color is matched. And after completing it, now let's begin to the yellow face. Now we have to do OLL. OLL means we are completing the yellow side. There are 7 cases in OLL, and the first case is you will have a yellow face on top and you will have a yellow in front and side. So you have to use the formula given here. By using this formula, you will complete the yellow part. And now let's begin to case 2. In case 2, you will find a yellow piece on the top, in front of you and on the right side. So you have to use this formula. In case 3, you will not have any yellow piece on top, but you will have a headlight in front and one headlight in back. So you have to hold cube like this and use the formula. Now let's begin to case 4. In case 4, you will have a headlight inside of you and one piece in front of you and one piece in back. So you have to hold cube like this and use the formula. In case 5, you will have a diagonal colors matched of yellow and a yellow in front and side. So you have to use the formula given here. Now let's begin to case 6. In case 6, you will have a headlight on top and 2 yellows on side. So you have to use the formula given on left side. Let's begin to last but not least case. In this case 7, you will have a headlight in front and a headlight inside. So you have to hold cube like this and use the algorithm. Now all your cases of OLL are completed. Now let's begin to PLL. PLL means completing the whole cube. In this PLL, you will have two formula. The one formula is you will have a full complete one side, but other ones will not be completed. So you have to use this formula. Now let's begin to last case. In the last case, no other side will be completed. You can hold cube anyway and use the formula. After doing this formula, you will be able to see case 1. So solve it like case 1. Now we have finished our 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.